Although lasagna is far from a typical health food, you can make healthy substitute to increase the nutritional value. Whole wheat bread to stabilize your blood sugar level, limit the use of cheese to reduce fat intake, and load it with vegetables to increase fiber, vitamin, and mineral content.
Hi, I am Uzma Afreen, final year student of Food and Nutrition Department. I have participated in online cooking show as we are celebrating Nutrition Week. So today I am going to make baked lasagna. Lasagna is originally an Italian dish, but today we are going to make it in a desi style. So keep watching.
So let's start our video now. First we are going to sort our vegetables.
For our veggies, in a pan take 2 tablespoon oil. To that add finely chopped garlic. Saute for some seconds till raw smell is gone. Then add finely chopped onions. So now flame should be medium. Cook for few seconds so the raw smell is gone. Now add carrot and capsicum. You need to saute these veggies at medium flame till veggies are cooked yet crunchy. Now switch off the flame. Now let's prepare red sauce. For red sauce we will take 2 tablespoons of oil and chopped onions. Now we are gonna add ketchup, adding salt and pepper. Season it with chili flakes. Give everything a good mix, and at this time flame should be between low to medium. And now our red sauce is ready. Now for our white sauce, add 1 tablespoon of oil and unsalted butter to a medium saucepan and melt it over a medium heat. Once it is melted and bubbling slightly, add 2 tablespoons of plain all-purpose flour. Keep stirring it with spatula over medium heat for a minute and cook it. Once it is nice brown, add good splash of milk and stir it thoroughly. Keep adding in milk and stir until all the milk is used up.
Once all milk is poured, we will add grated cheese, salt and pepper for taste. Good consistency is attained, we will switch off the flame and our white sauce is ready. We will take boneless chicken, and for marinating we will marinate it with pepper and salt. We will deep fry it and shred it like this. You can use your hands.
So I have taken brown bread, remove the sides, and we are going to roll each slices with a rolling pin or balen. Now it's time to layer our lasagna. First layer of red and white sauce. This is gonna help the bread not to stick to the pan. Over those we will spread even layer of bread. This is our first layer. Now the second layer of red sauce and followed up with veggies. Don't forget to add corns. Grate cheese in this layer. Oh, it looks tempting. Now add white sauce. Here goes our second layer of bread in our lasagna.
Repeat the first step and then add shredded chicken in the middle layer. Now add loads of vegetables and cheese in the middle layer along with seasonings.
You can repeat this to make more layers. Oh, that looks so beautiful. Now I am going to put some vegetables on top so it looks nice and colorful.
Now I am adding fresh cheese on top cause it gets nice brown and creamy.
Topping it off with seasonings. I have preheated my oven and now I will bake this for 10-15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius in my oven.
Yum, isn't it? Now let it cool for more 10 minutes.
My lasagna is done. I am taking it out and it looks so beautiful. The cheese has nicely melted. Now I am cutting it out. This lasagna is so heavy that this one portion is quite filling for one person. Tell me in the comment section if you liked this recipe. It's easy and so delicious. A lasagna can never be wrong. It's cheesy, comforting, and indulgent. A good lasagna can turn your bad day into a really good one.
Yeah, that was a lot of work. I hope you enjoyed my video and I hope that you will also try it at your home. So please tell me in the comment section. Okay, thank you.